Hello and welcome back. Today I want us to look at group by, whereby we can be grouping the data. For example, we have the us, we have STEM, we have other groups of careers offered in universities. But now we want to actually use group method to group by them, to group every one of them. So let me just Control C to exit, and then Jupyter Notebook. When it open like this, we just come here, we open it. We are working on this data, we open it, and we run kernel. Start. Now we are going to actually look at group by. Group by, I have already explained that it groups the courses that are offered in colleges in Kenya or anywhere else uh, across the globe. And we want to look something like mean. We want to see how many are there, counts, and something like that. So next lesson, well, short, let's start by it.